How to delete friends in Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to manage your in-game friends, cleaning up your friend list, or just trying to keep your Fortnite account more organized, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open your Fortnite game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside this pop-up menu, go ahead and select one of your friends from your friend list that you want to delete. Tap on their name or their profile icon, and from the expanded menu, click on Remove Friend. Confirm that you want to delete the friend by clicking Yes in the pop-up. Right after you do that, the selected friend will be deleted or removed from your friend list. So that's it. You've learned how to remove friends in Fortnite in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.